nege yoy mon buloylu
Ki em khayni ve'oy rech yomayni vu em nege yoy man vulaylo Ki em khayni ve'oy rech yomayni vu em nege yoy man vulaylo Ki em khayni ve'oy rech yomayni vu em nege yoy man vulaylo
So we are zocher to go to the Blue City, which is like Yosef said, and we just finished the Hadluke, which was absolutely der Heuben and amazing. Yosef, do you know what der Heuben means? Der Heuben.
Der Heuben?
Yes.
Der Heuben.
Der Heuben. Yusuf learned one more
Avada.
Yiddish word, Avada. So that's the last Yiddish word he didn't know, and now he knows complete Yiddish, Arabic, Hebrew, and oh, look at the donkey and the child. Geschmack.